Welcome to this coastal home nestled in a gated waterfront community along the Intracoastal Waterway. This thoughtfully designed home boasts a first-floor primary suite, complete with a walk-in closet and ensuite bath. The heart of the home is the kitchen, large island, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. The open floor plan seamlessly connects the kitchen to the family room, where a fireplace adds warmth and character. Enjoy the luxury of wood floors throughout, creating a stylish atmosphere. West/plush carpeting in the bedrooms, stairs and upper hallway. 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath are on the first floor, and 2 bedrooms and a full bath are on the second floor. Step outside to the screened porch and unwind while gazing at the serene views of the wooded preserved area. This property offers more than just a home, it provides a lifestyle. Residents of this community enjoy access to a water pavilion, pier, boat slips, nature trails, pool and clubhouse with a fitness center.